Good morning, hope you're well. Today is my Microstock earnings update for November, so let's just jump right into it and get at it. Okay, the first site that I'm going to talk about is Adobe Stock. I had a good month at Adobe actually. I had 143 sales, and that earned me $170.22. So that was an RPD of 84 cents. Highlights from Adobe, I had two images that sold for about $27 each, and a couple other fairly good sized license sales. So I haven't had that as much with Adobe as I have with Shutterstock, for example, where you get the larger license sales. So nice to get. I'll take $170 for Adobe for November for sure, any day. And I'll show you the two that sold for the larger licenses right now. Okay, so the next site that I'm going to talk about is Shutterstock. Yeah, I had a bit of a drop back. Last month I made over 200 at Shutterstock, and this month it dropped back down to below 100, which is always disappointing. I had no video or extended license sales, and I find that with Shutterstock now, with the price adjustments, you really need to have more than just the subscription or on-demand sales to get good numbers, even relative to where you're at. I mean, you might have a big portfolio and be making a lot of subscription sales, but I would expect even in that situation, you'd make a lot of enhanced, or you could make a lot more larger license sales as well. So I really do see the months without the with just subscription and on demand being not as good as they used to be. That's just the way it is. Anyway, I earned $94.55, and that was 221 image sales for an RPD of 43 cents. My best-selling image was this one that sold for $7, and it was of the Radium Hot Springs in BC, just not that far from here actually. Okay, iStock. I have 4,987 images in my iStock portfolio. I had 104 sales, and that earned me $51.90 for a 49 cents royalty per download. My top image was this sort of a usual suspect, this shot of the Calgary skyline. But I'll show you this other image. It sold 4 times and did okay. It was of this KFC outlet, Kentucky Fried Chicken fast food shop in a sort of a box store area at Sunset. Took this because I was trying to focus on updating my portfolio on Adobe, actually, but I know this is Shutterstock, or sorry, iStock. But I took a bunch of editorial images of restaurants and stuff like that, including fast food. So that's where that one came from. Okay, the next site that I'm going to talk about is Dreamstime. I have 8,712 images at Dreamstime. I had 34 sales, and that earned me $20.25 for a 60 cents RPD. I had highlights, I guess. I had 3 shots from Disneyland in California sell for $2 each. And these are those 3 shots. Okay, so Alami now. I have 6,261 images in my portfolio. I had just one sale this month, and it was only a $5 sale, so that's gross. I won't go into the net on that one. You can guess it's probably around $3. It's this image of the Swan and Dolphin Hotel that's on this sort of Disney World campus there. It's close to Epcot. It's where I stayed actually when we were there. I've sold a lot of those hotel images from that location, so $5, not the best. Okay, the next one is Pond 5. I actually had one image sale, and that earned me $7.89 and no video sales. I got to get focused on video. I just don't enjoy it as much, and so I tend to neglect it in favor of photography, which is what I actually like doing. That's just the thing, right? It's what you want to do versus what you need to do to make money, and that's kind of where it comes down to. It's where the rubber hits the road in Microstock, I think. Anyway, I had this. The image it sold was this shot of the University of Glasgow in Glasgow. The next site is Deposit Photos. I have 7,773 images in my portfolio. Big drop, actually, of probably over 100 images. I was up over 8,000, but I got this whole series of rejections for images that have been up since like May, saying it was a technical difficulty and asking me to re-upload the images. Now, there's absolutely no way I'm going to go back and try to figure out what went wrong and re-upload those images. Sort of annoying, actually. Deposit Photos is kind of annoying me lately, so that bugged me. Anyway, I had 63 sales, and that earned me $19.79. RPD of only 31 cents, so it's a low value site. I mean, stuff does sell there though, so yeah, like I said, I'm frustrated with Deposit right now. It's just when they don't make a good environment for contributors to operate in, it just, given the value, it just makes less and less sense. Anyway, so I'm going to start on the minnows, I guess. And the first one is the new addition to my my earnings report, and that's Wirestock. I actually had 2 images sell on Wirestock this month. I only have about 130 images up there right now. I had 2 editorial images sell on Adobe, actually, and those were netted me $1.16. The other thing I want to mention about Wirestock is I actually did have 3 people sign up to Wirestock through my referral link, and I really appreciate that. I know that's not a lot of people, but I did appreciate the fact that some people actually did go in through my referral link. So yeah, thanks for that again. I really appreciate that. Hopefully you upload a lot and sell for this first year anyway. Big stock. I have 4,735 images on my big stock portfolio. I had 22 sales, and that earned me $9.13. And I'm just going to show you something really quick here. This is my sales section of the contributor site, and I'm going to show you here these images. Almost everything that sold is this one image of a residential home that I showed you before in my previous videos, but almost every shot was of this one site. So just, not only is residential real estate a good area to photograph, but sometimes an image sells at the right time and it gets into the algorithm and it just sort of runs. So you just got to upload and hope that happens. It does sometimes. It has happened for me. I'm sure it'll happen for you as well. Okay, 123RF. I have 4,725 images, 12 sales for $4.47. And you can see that some of these minnows, my portfolio is half the size of what it is at some of the other sites. And it's just because I don't focus my time on those sites anymore. It's just not worth it, actually, in my view. Even the way I do my handle my metadata once, but just that's why my portfolio sizes are so low there. CanStock, I had 4 sales, and that earned me $8.89. It's actually kind of a big month for CanStock. Don't usually make up around the $10 mark. Most photos, I have a small portfolio there, no sales. Photo for me, 278 images. I haven't uploaded there forever, but I had 0 sales. It's like a UK. I might check it out again, see if there's anything other than just UK, like UK landscape images up there. Fine Art America, no sales. I have 748 images up there. I probably won't renew my subscription to that site after my 1 year expires. It's just not for me. Might be for you, and I know other people are selling images there, but it's just not for me. Archangel, zero sales. I did upload, I probably got about, I think I got 40 images uploaded to and accepted at Archangel this past month. So I am building a portfolio there. It's not turning into anything financially, really, just that one sale that I've had, which was around 400 US. So it's enticing. It still looks like it's something that might work out if I can ever figure it out. If I can find a way to be good enough for that site. I guess I'm just not there yet, maybe. Anyway, my total sales for Microstock this month are is $412.34. So again, not a month that I'm unhappy with. Happy with Adobe Stock. Made a little bit of money, so that's good. Hope this was of interest or meaningful to you. And if you aren't a subscriber and you got something out of this, yeah, please subscribe and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. That is my goal. Happy to say that out loud. But anyway, take care and we'll see you on the next one.